To find the value of x, y, and z from the above given systems of linear equation using Cramer's rule is very easy. The first thing we have to do is find the determinant by taking the coefficients of the variables. In the first equation, that is b is equal to, in the first equation we have 1 for the coefficient of x, 1 for coefficient of y, and negative 1 as the coefficient of z. In equation 2 we have 2, we have 0, we have 1. And equation 3 we have 3, negative 2, and 0. Now, deleting the first row and the first column, we have 1 times 0 times 0 minus here negative 2 times 1. And deleting the first row and the second column, we will have here minus 1 into minus, that is 2 times 0 minus 3 times 1 plus deleting the first row and the third column, we will have negative 1 times 2 times negative 2 minus 3 times 0. Now this is equal to 0 plus 2 minus into 0 minus 3 minus into negative 4 minus 0. And this is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 9. Therefore, our b, which is the determinant, is equal to 9. Now, to find the x numerator determinant, we replace the coefficients of x by constants and maintain the coefficients of y and z. That is dx is equal to, now we are going to replace the coefficients of x with constants, that is 4, 7, 5, and maintain the coefficients of x, of the coefficients of y and z. That is 1, 0, negative 2, here negative 1, we have 1 and 0. Now, we know here d is equal to 9. Now, deleting the first row and the first column, we will have 4 into 0 times 0 minus negative 2 times 1. Deleting the first row and the second column, we will have minus 1 into 7 times 0 minus 5 times 1. Then minus 1 into, deleting the first row and the third column, we will have 7 times negative 2 minus 5 times 0. Now, and this is equal to 4 into 0 plus 2 minus into 0 minus 5 minus into negative 14 minus 0. And this is equal to 4 into 2 minus 0, 4 times 2 minus negative 5 minus negative 14. And this is equal to 8 plus 5 plus 14. This is 1927. This is 27. Therefore, our d along x is equal to 27. So our dx is equal to 27. Now, let us find dy. To find the y determinant, or the determinant along y, we replace the coefficients of y by constants and maintain the coefficients of x and z. This time, we are going to replace the coefficients of y with 4, 7, and 5. And we maintain the coefficients of x and z. That's 1, 2, 3. Now, deleting the first row and the first column, we will have 1 into 7 times 0 minus 5 times 1. Deleting the first row and deleting the first row and the second column, we will have minus 4 into 2 times 0 minus 3 times 1. Then, deleting the first row and the third column, we will have negative 1 into 2 times 5 minus 3 times 7. Now, this is equal to 0 minus 5 minus 4 into 0 minus 3 minus into 10 minus 21. Now we will have negative 5 minus, this becomes plus 12, then plus 11. Because here. Now, negative 5 plus 12, we get negative 7. Positive 7. Positive 7. So negative 5 plus 12, you get positive 7. Positive 7 plus 11, you get 18. Therefore, dy is equal to 18. So dy is equal to 18. Now let us find dz. To find dz this time, let us find dz. To find dz, we replace the coefficients of z by constants and maintain the coefficients of x and y. That is, we replace negative 1 here by 4, 1 here by 7, and 0 by 5. And we maintain the coefficients of x and y as 1, 0, negative 2. Now, deleting the first row, we will have 1 into 0 times 5 minus negative 2 times 7 minus, deleting the first row and the second column, we will have 1 into 2 times 5 minus 3 times 7 and plus. Deleting the first row and the third column, we will have 4 into 2 times negative 2 minus 3 times 0. Now this is equal to 0 plus 14 minus 10 minus 21 plus 4 into negative 4 minus 0. And this is equal to 14 plus 11 minus 16. 14 plus 11 is 25. 25 minus 16, we would have 9. Therefore, dz is equal to 9. Now let us find the values of x, y, and z. Now to find the values of x, y, and z, we said x is equal to x numerator determinant divided by the determinant. And this is equal to 27 divided by 9. And this is equal to 3. Y is equal to y numerator determinant divided by the determinant. This is equal to 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. To find z, we would have Z, numerator determinant, divided by the determinant. And that is 9 divided by 9, and that's 31. Therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 1. If you have enjoyed the lecture, please like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.